How to pay with Venmo on eBay. In this video, I will show you how to connect and use Venmo to pay for your purchases on eBay in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Open the eBay app, or you can go to the eBay website and sign into your account. Step 2. Browse for the item that you want to buy and tap on Buy It Now or Add to Cart. Step 3. At the checkout phase, select Add Payment Method. And if Venmo is available, you will see it listed under the payment methods. Step 4. Tap on Venmo and follow the prompt. You will be redirected to the Venmo app to confirm your eBay link. Step 5. Once linked, you will return to eBay and finalize the purchase by confirming the Venmo payment. Step 6. You will receive confirmation from both eBay and Venmo about the successful transaction. And now you can start using Venmo. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.